Hey everybody, welcome back to the 74 Challenger restoration. Welcome back to another episode. We're moving right along here, folks. What I want to get done for this episode is get that wheel housing back in. It's already been mini tubbed out, so I just need to come in here, make the modifications to the floor pan and a couple of the brackets, just like we did on the other side, and then we can stuff that guy in. Now I've already been working away on this for a little bit, so some of the patches are already done here, but I'm going to roll the tape back. We still call it tape, eh? Jeez. Anyway, we're going to roll her back. I'm going to show you some of the patches I've already done. Next one I'm going to start working on is this area up in here on the upper pillar. That's going to be a little bit tricky, but we'll get her. Once that's done, then I'm going to move over into the wheel housing area. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this one. Alright, so I've decided I am going to take a section of this sill out. You can see I have it, I have the area marked off where I'm going to cut out basically the worst of it. Trying to leave as many of the edges as I can so I don't have to worry about this thing getting too out of shape. Alright, I'm going to cut that out. We'll make a new panel, patch that up. And one more thing off the list. Okay, well that patch turned out real nice. Super happy with that. I've already gone ahead and kind of ground it down so that there's no fitment issues when the quarter panel overlaps onto that. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so the next thing I need to tackle is this area up here. This large patch. Now I've already gone ahead and done the lower part of the pillar down here. Now I need to come up with a template for this area. This guy's going to be tricky because that's pretty intricate there. But I'll just take my time, get a nice cardboard template, and then we'll get that welded in. Okay. Something like that. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to butt that up right there on that corner. Maybe something like that. Okay, hold it up there. Okay, and then that's going to fold right there. Just like so. Hey folks, let's have a little fun with this door here. If you guys got a YouTube channel or a product you want featured, drop me a comment below and I'll give you the details. You can send me your sticker and let's see how many we can fill up on this door here before we send it out to paint. Okay, we got that pretty close there. My helper and I. So I'm going to transfer that over to some metal now. We'll cut it out, bend it up, and we'll do the final fitment and get that welded in. Alright folks, if you want to help support the 74 Challenger Restoration Project, head on over to our teespring.com account where you can check out our merchandise. We have some nice sweaters, some t-shirts, his and hers. We have that great poster that we're giving away. And Oliver, if you are watching this, please get in touch with us. You have won that poster. If you don't claim it soon, I am giving it away to the next person in line. Alright folks, we really appreciate the support. So yeah, thanks. Okay, just finished getting that patch wrapped up. Took a little bit of time to get that thing fitted in there just right, but I just took my time and it turned out nice. You can see there's a small overlap patch there. I want to kind of replicate what they had right from factory. So there's two pieces of sheet metal there that originally overlapped at the joint, so I just did my best to replicate that. Alright, so I just need to hit that with the grinder, take the edges down, and then that guy's going to be wrapped up. Then I think we're going to move over to the wheel housing next. Okay, I just ran into a little bit of a hiccup here cutting out the trunk pan for the mini tub, and I'll show you what's going on. So I was cutting away and everything was going great, and then all of a sudden it just felt like it was getting a lot more difficult to cut. And let me see if I can zoom in here for you guys, show you. But I started cutting into the I started cutting right into the frame rail, and that's not good, obviously. So I'm not sure what's going on. Like I should have enough clearance until I get right to the very end of that rail. So I'm starting to wonder now if this pan is a little bit crooked. Alright, so if you remember from the last episode, I was talking about some of the differences with the pan fitment between the left and the right hand side, and especially I was concerned about this area up in here. On the other side, there's about a ½ inch gap between the pan and then the back half of the rail, and I had just assumed that this side was correct just because it kind of, I don't know, looks like it should be butted up against there. But now that I'm running into this fitment issue, I'm actually wondering if this side of the pan is incorrect and if that should actually be out the extra ½ inch. Now if you remember from way back, this is actually a two-piece pan that I had welded in the middle, and then I put that back lip on just by welding a lip on the back there because it didn't come with one. So I'm starting to wonder now, I think I'm going to have to maybe undo that a little bit and slide that pan back over. I don't know. I was really hoping to get this wheel housing wrapped up for this episode, but I'm going to have to just slow down and take a few measurements here, see what's going on, and obviously I'll have to repair that small section of rail that I just cut in there by accident. Anyway, that's a bummer, eh? But what do you do? Alright, well, that's it for this episode, folks. I was really hoping to get that wheel housing in for you this time, but wasn't expecting those fitment issues, so I'm just going to have to, like I said, slow down, take a couple measurements, and we're going to make sure we do this right and get it in there. So anyway, that's the way it goes sometime, eh? So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification, hit the like button, hit all the other buttons you can find down there, please, folks. And yeah, we appreciate the support. So we'll see you next time, guys. You guys thought that was it, eh? Well, you're in for a little bit of a treat. Miss Glassglow's going to show you some of the merchandise.